So when I started doing YouTube videos, the one thing that cost me the most time was actually recording, not recording, but exporting the videos. So as a beginner, I used CapCut and Filmora because they were easy to use, especially as a beginner. But the drawdown was, I do remember one video of CapCut took me 8 hours or 9 hours to export, and that totally messed up my workflow creating the YouTube videos. And when I started to use more professional editing softwares like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro, this has changed significantly. From hours of exporting, it took me half an hour to an hour max, depending also a bit on the capacity of your PC, of course, to export everything. So that's something that you might need to take into consideration. Not always the best, or the easy software is the best one in certain cases. So for you to figure that out. Before we move on, I want to show you. It's winter time here in Zurich, and it's snowed a bit, and I show how Zurich looks in current. But it's so freaking cold.